Recently, I have created a video on the all-in-one AI platform where you can access OpenAI all the models, whether it's your Cloudy, Gemini, or even the latest one that is the DeepSeek. So this platform, people are just loving it. This is the video I am talking about, and right now it is available on the App Sumo starting from the just $49. But let me tell you that within the few hours the pricing is going to be increased, and after that pricing will be the $59. So in this video I am going to compare it with the Merlin, because I am also using the Merlin.ai, and like this Zemith, it is also offering all the popular AI model in its platform. Let me show you what are the popular models you can access on the Merlin here. So whenever you are going to ask it anything, you can see this is the option that where you can choose the models here. So let me select the AI models. So here you can see we have all the ChatGPT models available. We have the DeepSeek, we have the Cloudy models available, we have the Gemini, we have the Mistral, we have the even the more options like this one, that O1 mini or O1 preview. So this is some latest models also. So apart from the good user interface, Merlin is also offering all the AI models here. So if I talk about the Zemith.ai right now, this is the latest platform that is offering something similar. So whenever you are going to ask it anything or going to give it command, here you can select the models, and it has the Gemini models available, it has the Open AI models available, it has the Anthropic, that is basically the Cloudy, and we have this one that is the DeepSeek, and there is also a new model available that is from the Alibaba, that is the Gwen 2.5 Max. So this is the recent model that the Alibaba is launched, but within the launching period, after few hours, they have added their model in their platform. Okay, so both platform have this something similar and this something different here. So in this video I'm going to compare all those aspects, and based on the comparison I will tell you which platform you should get it and whether it's actually the beneficial. You guys should replace Merlin with the Zemith or not. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and you are watching the SaaS Guru, where I talk about top AI models, videos, and even I compare them. So this is the Zemith.ai. Recently I have created here video that you can watch if you want a detailed demo and the tutorial on the Zemith.ai. I have also created a detailed video on the Merlin. You will find the both tools detailed review on my this description. Okay, now let me talk about and get started with the Merlin.ai. So first I'm going to talk about the user interface. So you can see this is the Merlin, and here on the home screen you will find something like the ChatGPT user interface, where you can click here on the plus icon to get started your chatting with the AI models. So you have to just ask your command or you have to give your question here, and after that you have to select these AI models, and within the time frame it is going to give you the answer. And best part, there are also the so many other things available. If I go to the more section, you can see it has the AI tools, bots, and projects, and the prompts available. So in the AI tools you will find so many great tools like the AI detector, we have the essay writer, image generator, we have the sentence writer, and like this, these are so many AI tools available. Then similar, we have the bots available. So these are the something like the bots that is going to help you to creating the your dedicated task, something like you want a something your custom bot for creating the emails about your content writing or marketing. So you can do that here by creating your own bot. So that is something unique feature you will find on the Merlin. Apart from this, Merlin has the lot of the options available to access in any device. You can access it no matter it's your Android device or the iOS, because it has the app available, it has its Chrome extension available, and it has its web app available that you can access anywhere. And the best part, all the chats and all the data you are just search or get the content using the Merlin going to sync each other in all of your devices. So that is the best part, but I like it here on the Merlin. Right now you can see I am using the dark mode, but there's also this light mode also available. So based on your preference you can select it from here. And then if I go to this one, that is the get Merlin on mobile, it is going to definitely going to show you its app. Then in the more section you can see we have this prompts available. So right now what is the most important, that is the prompt you are going to give the AI to generate the content or get your answer. That is the most important. So most of the people don't know how to write the prompt, so they have their prompt library available. There you can find out the prompts, and the best part, you can also save your own prompts here. So right now I am in the saved, but if I go to the community prompts, here you will find out the top prompts, like this is the prompts, and they are the highly comprised prompts for your usage. You can select anyone, like your e-commerce, you have to write the article, you have to do or generate a SEO optimized or high quality article. There's the prompt available. So that is the thing. And if I talk about Merlin pricing, let me go to the pricing. Its lifetime deal was available on the app Sumo, but now it is ended. So you have to go with their pricing that is basically based on the subscription. So they have the two models available. First one, we have the monthly that is starting from the $29 per month here, and there is the also team plan available for your team members. And if I go to the annual, it is starting from the $19. Okay, now let me compare with the Zemith, whether Zemith is actually the comparable AI platform to Merlin or not. So this is the Zemith platform. Once I got its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard I am going to log in. So if you want to check it out, the lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. So first of all, let me talk about its UI and its platform. So this is the dashboard, and here you will find out all of their AI tools in this single platform. What is the unique feature? You will like this Focus AI. Okay, this is basically the Focus OS, and it is something like your laptop or the desktop operating system, where you will find out all of your apps in the below. This is the something horizontal menu you can see for accessing all the apps. This is something like the my laptop, like where I have just pinned all of my important apps here. So this is how this Focus OS work, and here you can see it has the new chat option available. So basically the new chat option is similar like we use in the Merlin or the ChatGPT, okay, where we are going to give the command, ask the question. Then unique feature here is similar to the Merlin, that we can select the AI model, like we have the Gemini available, we have the OpenAI, all the popular models available, we have the Cloudy, we have the DeepSeek, and even the Gwen, that is the by the Alibaba here. Okay, so right now Gwen is only available in the Zemith, not in the Merlin. So I hope in future we can see this model also in the Merlin. Okay, so let me select any of them. So I'm going to go with the most popular, that is the ChatGPT 40, and after that I can ask my questions, give the prompts, and there is the another unique feature, that is this circle, that is the web. So when I click here and enable this one, this is enabled for the deep searching the internet. So now whatever the my prompt, let me write it, what is deepseek. So I have given my prompt and just send the message, and now what it is going to do, it is going to search the web, give me the factual data, and after searching or analyzing that, I will get the answer. You can see it is just analyzed all these sources here, and now this is the images and this is the answer. I got it here. Okay, so that's how it's work. Best part, you can also upload your documents, PDF, or any other resource you have, you can upload it here, then ask its AI to give your information or analyze the data and get you what you want from that document here. Okay, then there's also the library available where you can find out the different things. Then there are also the AI tools available that you find really unique, like we have this chat that I have showed you, then we have the whiteboard available. The best one is this one, that is the creative. So in the creative we will find out a lot of AI tools for your image generation, your video generation. You want to replace the background, you want to generate the images around your object, you want to upscale images. So this is the AI tools, you will find it here, and I think in future we are going to see a lot more AI tools in the creative section. So in the tools we will find out the prompt gallery. So in the prompt gallery you are going to see the prompts that you, okay, right now this feature is in the upcoming, okay, so we cannot accept, but in future this is the definitely we are going to see. Then we have the image to prompt, short and sentence generator, acronym generator, document to quiz generator. So these are the tools that right now they have available, and there's also the dark mode and the light mode available. So again, the really good feature for the lot of the users who love dark mode. Okay, then if I talk about its Focus OS, you can see this is the chat option. So right now, to consistent using the two chat option in the Merlin is not kind of the feature we can access until we open the two tabs. But here what we can do along with this app is right now open, I can also use the secondary chat. Okay, so this secondary chat will be the open in the next tab here. So that's how its Focus OS is work, and I am going to love it. Okay, then similar, I can access the notes, I can access the creative along here in this horizontal menu, and in the single click I can switch to all these open apps. You can also see there's the white dot available, basically it is representing that this app is right now in the open or the activated. Okay, so that's how it's work. Now let me talk about Zemith access, which devices or where you can use the Zemith. So Zemith is right now available on the web and the your Android and the iOS app. You can see right now it is available here, but in the process you can only access the beta, or right now it's in the process, so you have to wait a little, but this is certain we are going to see its app on the Android and the iOS app. But I am not able to find its Chrome extension or the browser extension, so there is the limit. Okay, you can only access it on the web and the app that in the future we are going to see here, but there is the no extension available. So that is the most disadvantage thing I have found it about the Zemith. I hope in the future we can also expect its extension that we can use on our browser, or you can use anywhere on the web page, because that is the most unique feature of the Merlin, because I can access the Merlin AI on the any web page. I have just to open that website or that web page, and after that I have to click here on this extension, click here, and now I can chat with all the information available on that website, on that web page. So that is the most beneficial feature of the Merlin, what I liked it here. So now let me talk about the Zemith pricing. So right now Zemith, like I said, available on the lifetime deal starting from the $49, but after the 1 day this pricing is going to be increased, and if you are watching this video after 15 hours or the 24 hours, the pricing will be the $59 starting point. So let me go to the plans and feature. There are the only 2 tier plans available. In the single tier plan, the limits or for the credits you are going to get is the 3000, and actually this is the pretty good for the individual or the beginner. But if you have the advanced things and mostly dependent on the AI capabilities and have the capabilities to write the good prompts, then I suggest go with the tier 2 plan, because here you will get the 17,000 credits, and you are also going to access the video generation and the Gemini Flash model here. So make sure if you want these 2 things in the Zemith plan, you have to switch to the tier 2 plan. And if I check the Zemith official pricing along with the lifetime deal, let me go to the pricing. So its pricing starting from the $15 for the yearly plan, and for the monthly is the $18. So compared to the Merlin, the pricing is actually affordable, and there's also the lifetime deal available. Now the most important question, which platform you should get it. So if you are love with the Merlin, because here's the Chrome extension available, and here's the prompt library available, here's the so many AI tools available, and you can also create your custom bots that is basically built on the AI, then I think you should definitely check out the Merlin. But their pricing a little bit high, because for the monthly access you have to pay around the $29 a month, and here you can access all the features on the Merlin. And if you are going to go with their annual plan, it will be the around $19. Okay, and this is the subscription you have to pay every month and the every year. But in this Zemith here, the pricing is affordable, whether you actually go with their subscription model, that is the monthly and the yearly plan. But the most affordable pricing, what I suggest, go with their lifetime deal, that is the starting from the $59 after 24 hours. Okay, so if you want a tool where you don't want to pay the monthly or the yearly subscription, Zemith is right now the best choice for you. So for both the AI platforms, you will find the link in the description. And that's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with these kind of the AI tools, SaaS comparisons and updates. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.